Hi, this is Lucas, and this is a short tutorial on how to apply my mods to the global sampler and JKK visualizer. Hit code, download zip, unzip, and you have these two folders. These are the modded codes. They are packed in a txt file that we're gonna use to overwrite the original ones. Open Reaper and add the plugins to one track. Here I have on the master track. We're gonna edit each plugin code hitting edit. We go back to our mod folder. Here I have JKK Lucas mod. Let's go to the global sampler. This is the global sampler JSFX. Global sampler JSFX. Select all, copy, and paste over. Hit close, save. I have done it already, so I'll hit no. Do the same thing for JKK. Edit. Go to JKK Lucas mod. Open JSFX. Select all, copy, and paste over here. Close, hit save, and you're done with the JSFX. Now we need to override the actions for both plugins. Search for JKK, Visualizer Editor, Edit Action, select all. Now we're gonna paste JKK. This is the editor, Visualizer Editor. Double click, select all, copy, and paste over the original code. Close, save. Do the same for the JKK visualizer, edit action, copy the modded action visualizer, open, copy, paste over, close, save, and do the same thing for the global sampler. That's it. Once you've done, you're gonna have the same effect as I have right here with themes and the particles. Have fun.